So, Gentry, have you ever left for work and wondered if you remembered to put the garage door down?
Lee, it is so frustrating, okay? You get ready for your day, you get in your car, you're thinking about all the things you're going to accomplish that day because you're having a good day, you're feeling good. Then you drive through the neighborhood, the birds are chirping, the dogs are barking, you're about to get on the highway and really make a run for it, and then BAM! It hits you. Is the garage door up or is the garage door down? Now from there, Lee, you have two options. Do you go back to the house and check the door, in which case you're going to be late for work, or do you go ahead and get on that highway? You make it to work on time, but all day long, all you're thinking about is that garage door. All day long, it's just circling around in your head. You know what I mean? A lot of people know what I mean, I'm sure.
Whew. Boy, did I hit a nerve there.
Kinda.
Oh, would you be interested in a little device so that would never, ever happen to you again?
Lee, that sounds amazing.
Okay, so it's just a little sensor that you put on a garage door. And there's an app on the phone, and it tells you if the garage door is open or closed. And if it's open, and if you want it closed, you touch one button and bam, the garage door's closed.
Lee, I would buy this entire system for that one feature.
Oh, well, wait till you see the rest of the things we've got.